Did you know the company that created aspirin also marketed heroin to children? From 1898 to 1910, pharmaceutical giant Bayer sold heroin as a safe cough medicine for kids. They even trademarked the name Heroin and advertised it as non-addictive. While families trusted this medical breakthrough, Bayer was unknowingly creating one of history's most dangerous drugs. This wasn't evil intent, but shows how early medicine prioritized innovation over safety testing. Today's rigorous drug trials exist because of mistakes like this. Progress often comes from learning what not to do.